This one got popped in the back, right in this rear body panel. I have a Honda Civic here. This one got popped in the back, right in this rear body panel. Crushed all of this. You can see how that's completely folded up. So this one's going to be getting a new rear body panel, as well as these two side supports, which you have to replace whenever you do these rear body panels on these. First, however, I'm going to make a couple quick pulls, roughly pull out all my damage, and then I will start cutting this one apart. Now, the reason I always pull these out before I cut them apart, even though this is getting replaced, there could be other parts, such as this taillight pocket, could be shifted a little bit, and by pulling this out, it'll get everything else back to its proper spot before I cut it apart. Otherwise, it could make it difficult trying to get everything to shift back whenever I have the new panel fit up. So I just about have this rear body panel all fit up. All my gaps are looking very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift my taillights back out, and I'm gonna get this rear body panel welded in. Then once I get that welded in, I'll go ahead and get these plates welded in, as well as these little plates.